Welcome to another happy day in 914 Electric Garage. I've got something I want to show you. Here we have the very first printed and bound edition of the Porsche 914 EV Electric Vehicle Conversion Guide. You have 31 chapters. You also have an appendix which has all of the diagrams, harness maps, battery box layout, EV conversion parts list with a link to an active list online. We have a sweet introduction. Oh, hey look! I always enjoy pointing out that Ferdinand Porsche's very first car in 1898 was electric. Very detailed instructions on attaching the hub to your Hyper 9 motor. Ta-da! Mounting the charging receptacle behind the front bumper, taking delivery and prepping your Tesla battery modules, building your BMS harnesses from the pigtails that are provided, building out your battery boxes, preparing your modules to be cabled up, and all of the additional switches that you're going to add, installing your chargers on the firewall behind the seats, all of your MCU settings, all detailed here. And here is the main schematic and the wiring harness map. Here is the diagram for your front battery box BMS and cabling connections. Here's the actual physical layout of the front battery box. And last but not least, here you have your parts list. So the book itself was months in the making, and all of the diagrams were literally years in the making. But if that's not enough, we have an entire suite of mounting brackets that come with the guide. So that's pretty much the complete package. Everything you need to convert your Porsche 914 to electric. Look for the guide and this bundle online soon. Have a great day.